What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make money with Instagram without showing your face or having millions of followers. How do I know this? Well, I grew a page called Passionate Income on Instagram, which has over 1 million followers right now, and it took me to go from 0 to 1 million followers in less than 13 months, and I ran it as a full-time business. At that point, I had only one page, and now I have plenty of brands, so I know what I'm talking about. Right before we start into the video, please leave a like down below if you like my content, leave a subscribe to see more videos like that, and if you want me and my team personally help you to get to $10,000 a month with Instagram automation, book a call, first link in the description. So how do you grow a page like that and start making money? How does it work, right? So number one, what you need to do is pick a niche. You can basically pick any niche you want. It could be memes, it could be cartoons, it could be something silly, and it could be something serious like, business, motivation, investing. It's your choice. Honestly, I have kind of a subjective opinion because I have over 30 pages right now in one niche, which is motivation / business / investing, right? So I'm kind of in that niche more, but I've seen people succeed with so many niches, even like meme niches. People are making $20,000-$30,000 a month. Niches like sports, right? Athletes, gym, relationships, right? Like a lot of dating coaches have pages about like how to talk to girls, stuff like that. So anything that falls under health, wealth, or relationships, I would really go into that. But sometimes there are niches like NFTs, and back in like 2021, I managed to grow an NFT page to like 100,000 followers in 2 months, right? So sometimes you get those niches where it's kind of like trendy things, which go very viral fast. So it depends on you. I really like business niche and motivational niche. For example, one of my students, Ivan, actually took a niche which is ChatGPT, right? Called his page ChatGPT Tricks and grew to 300,000 followers in less than 3 months and started making $10,000 a month just like that, right? So the opportunity is there. You don't need to be stuck in one niche. You can try a few different niches at first, but when you start to build an empire, I would say stick to your niche, find one product or build one product and just promote it as much as possible. So once you have your niche picked, the second step you need to do is basically start posting content daily. So I post around 3 to 5 times a day on all of my pages. Obviously right now I don't have like 10 phones and post on 30 pages myself. I have a team for that, but I do post on Passionate Income till this day, and I do post on my personal brand on Instagram myself. So the way how it works is basically you need to post at least 3 times a day when you start. And as we speak right now, video content like Reels and Reels remixes work absolutely insane. I've seen pages to go from 0 to 300,000 followers in less than 10 weeks with these strategies. So basically what you need to do is just look at the content that's working already on other platforms and duplicate that. Even look at the content which is working on Instagram and basically repost that. No showing your face, no nothing. It can be completely anonymous. Your friends in school don't need to know that it's your page. You just start posting content just like I do on Passionate Income. That's a great example. So once you start posting content daily, right, a third thing will happen is you'll start growing an audience. It's inevitable. If you keep it consistent, you never give up, you post every single day for as long as possible. I've been in this game for over 2.5 years. I've posted at least 3 times a day, every single day since I started in 2020, November 28th. So you'll start attracting people who really like the content you're posting, and you'll start gaining followers, which is amazing. But a lot of people don't know where to go from there, which is the step 4. you need to monetize that audience, right? Milk those followers. Because what I did, and my biggest mistake when I started, when I had like only 600,000 followers, I actually like really started to monetize my brand, where I could have started at like 10,000 followers easy and started making money. So my thinking behind it is, I don't want to post any ads or anything like that, because it will ruin my brand image. But I was working on it and it didn't bring me that much money at first at all. Only when I started monetizing properly, I got to 10K a month relatively quickly, in a month or two. So how do you monetize, right? So actually there are so many ways to monetize, probably thousands of ways, right? And if you go like on theme pages, on Instagram, on meme pages, on like all of that world, if you look into that world, basically you'll see a lot of people are doing surveys, shout outs, like plenty of stuff. But my honest opinion, there are probably 3, 4, maybe 5 really good ways to monetize. So number one, the most popular one, is just selling ad space on your page, right? Working as a media brand and just selling shout outs, basically selling shout out posts on your Instagram account. And on a motivational / like business page, you can easily get $200-300 a promotion. And guess what? Those people buy like 10, 15, 20 promotions at a time. So that stacks up pretty quickly if you know how to sell promotions. Another one is affiliate marketing. That's one of the strongest ones, because with theme pages, you have insane amount of traffic. Again, you're posting 3 times a day. Those big influencers like Kim K and etc., they're not really posting 3 times a day, right? So when you post 3 times a day, you have so much traffic coming in. So in affiliate marketing, you're basically getting paid for your results. So you partner up with someone, right? You become their affiliate and you're basically sending traffic to them, and you get commission from that product. And usually in this digital marketing space, you're getting 40-50% for every client you bring to that business, which if the product is high ticket, your commission could start at like $1,000 per every sale. And they take care of customer service, they take care of everything. And there are low ticket affiliates, like you drive people to a landing page where they just enter their email for a newsletter, and you get $2, $3, $5 for every email collected. So that's affiliate marketing. So the third way of creating a big income with Instagram without showing your face is actually creating your own digital products. So for example, just releasing an ebook. Right now, it's very popular to release a Notion template. And Notion is just a software, kind of like Notes, but upgraded to the next level. And just selling those templates with information, people are selling those for like $50, $100. And actually, I helped one of my students, Ivan, to create a completely new product, which has never been done before in the industry, right? And actually use Notion to sell a masterclass product on how to master ChatGPT, which is his niche. This guy literally went from zero in the first month of releasing the product to making $5,000 a month just from that product alone, not including affiliate deals, not including shoutouts, not including anything else. Just from that product alone, just by placing the link in the bio and writing in the caption, click the link in bio if you want to learn. And that's why I say Instagram is super freaking powerful. So these are my 3 really honest ways of like how you can actually make money on Instagram. Like you can actually scale this to big leagues, right? So like I said, there's probably thousands of ways you can make money, like driving people to download an app or whatever, do a survey for like 50 cents, which people are doing that and making like $5,000-10,000 a month. I personally know them, but these 3, which I explained, can be actually scaled to big numbers and worth start doing. So now you started making a bunch of money, you have a following online, you have traffic, you have followers growing every single day, and you're like, all right, what's the next step, right? Am I stuck right now at $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month? Like, what should I do? Well, the 5th step is basically you need to automate the process. So basically from posting to creating products, to promoting products, to answering DMs. What you can do is actually hire people for you to do all of that stuff, right? And basically all you have to do at the end of the day is just make sure everything's running smooth and you have like a side hustle or side digital income coming in basically on autopilot at that point, which takes you like extra 30 minutes or an hour every single day to look after. So how do you automate the process? You just hire proper people, and there's so much talent out there on the internet, you know, in today's world. If you need someone to manage your Instagram, they don't need to be from the US or UK, Australia, or you need to pay people like incredible amounts of money and you're like, I'm not leaving this money on the table. Like you can literally go to Fiverr, or you can go in those networking groups, or you can even join our mastermind, right? Where we actually share like who to hire, where to hire from, and what is the best rate to get people. So I've heard people getting rates as low as like $500 a month for managing all of that from third world countries. And you get really, really good talent for that price. So literally, if you're making $5,000 a month and you hire someone for $500 to manage that, you have $4,500 profit left. So let's say you're at that stage where you have someone working for you. They're managing basically 80% of recurring daily tasks, and you're basically collecting a check of money every single month for doing that and making sure everything is running smooth. What's the next step to actually get to your desired number? You know, I know some of you guys would be like, well, extra $2,000 a month would be absolutely incredible. And, you know, I could start doing so much more. But some people are super ambitious like me, and they're like, all right, how do I get to that $50,000 a month? How do I get to that $100,000 a month and onward? And there's a way. So if you're one of those ambitious people out there, the sixth step is basically reinvesting the money you get and actually starting growing a company or a business and making much more money. Of course, that comes with more work. I think that's pretty clear. But what you do at that point is, let's say you're making $5,000 revenue, you pay $500 for the person to manage it. What you can do is you can actually build a team of people, right, and pay 9 other people $500, and boom, now you run 10 pages. Yes, at first it will be slow, right? It may take a few months till it takes off, but at that point you start running several pages in the same niche, promoting the same product probably, and at that point there's no limit how much you can make. Personally, I have 33 pages as we speak, and I'm recording this video, but I know for sure that in a month I'll have close to 50, right? And I know people who are running 150, 170 pages at the same time, which you might think is insane right now, and it is. That's why I suggest starting with 1 page at first. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like down below. Press that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like that. And again, if you want me personally to help you to get to $10,000 a month with digital income, with IG automation, click the first link in the description and we'll have a call with either me or my team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.